Hi, I'm Franziska and today we're looking at lanterns made out of concrete. The golden paint inside makes for a warm glow, and I will show you how you can do it yourself. You will need a balloon, some cement, a container of some kind like a yogurt cup, a tea light, golden acrylic paint, a paintbrush and some waterproof gloves. Follow the instructions and mix the cement with water. You might want to use a little less water so the cement mix is a little thicker. Put the balloon on the empty container and start spreading the cement on it. The cement might crack a bit, just keep filling the cracks with cement. It will also run down the sides, so you will need to push it back up or add more on top. Let the whole thing set for 24 hours. The cement should have hardened completely. Use a pin to pop the balloon. You will now have a pretty good idea of what your lantern will look like, but we're still missing the paint. So paint the inside of your lamp with a golden acrylic paint. Once the paint has dried, you can put in your candle. Beautiful, isn't it?